Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Robert, I have hunger,
No, Johnny. You are hungry.
but I have it. The hunger is mine.
In English, hunger is not a thing you have. It is a thing you are.
Robert, that is very strange when you say it like that.
All languages are strange. This one is only ours. Today the lesson is to be or to have.
They are two different verbs. It is easy.
It is easy in English. It is difficult for everybody else. Chloe, how old are you?
I am 9.
Not I have 9 years?
That is not English.
In many languages, that is exactly what people say.
They have years. Like a thing in a box.
In English, you do not have years. You are years.
I am 4.
You are 4 years old, Johnny.
I am 4 years old and I am hungry.
2 verbs to be in one sentence. Perfect. Now listen. These are the difficult ones. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am cold. I am hot. I am afraid. I am right. I am wrong. I am 10 years old.
All of them are I am.
All of them. In other languages. Many of them are I have.
So when do I say, I have?
When it is a thing. A ball. A house. A friend.
A ball is a thing. Hunger is not a thing.
Now you understand.
But hunger is very real, Robert.
I know, Johnny. It is real, but it is not a thing.
I am cold.
Correct.
I know it is correct. I am always correct.
You said, I am always correct, and not, I have always reason.
Because I am not an idiot.
Milo, say them all.
I am a cat. I am grey. I am 4 years old. I am not hungry. I have a sofa. I have a window. I have a dog I did not ask for.
Robert, that was perfect. Every single one.
Milo, how do you do it?
It is simple. Am I the thing, or do I own the thing? Hungry is me. A sofa is not me. That is the rule.
That is the best explanation I have ever heard.
Milo is a good teacher.
I am a cat with a headache.
You said with, not I have a headache.
Both are correct.
Yes, but now you are showing off.
Test us, Robert.
Johnny, 9 years.
I am 9 years old.
A red ball.
I have a red ball.
Very cold.
I am very cold.
2 friends.
I have 2 friends.
Afraid of the dark.
I am afraid of the dark.
Johnny. Are you really afraid of the dark?
It was an example, Chloe.
He sleeps on my sofa when there is a storm.
Milo.
It is a fact. I am a cat, I say facts.
And you let him.
The sofa is big.